What's going on, everybody? Guns and Gains back here again with another video for you. This is part 3 of the AR-15 pistol build, and as you can see, we actually have it together. The lower we built in the second part works well. I had function tested it and everything works as it should. And the upper, the hardened arms upper with the Toolcraft bolt carry group and the Strike Industries charging handle, everything went together smoothly. I did notice that the Anderson lower, I don't know if you can tell in this light, but the upper is definitely a different finish than the lower. That's not a big deal to me because this is a budget-friendly build, so that's not a huge deal. But we're going to take this to the range today, and we're going to do some shooting. So without further ado, let's head to the range. But first, first thing, I'm gonna mount my Field Sport red dot sight just so I have something to sight with, because I ordered a set of backup sights and a SIG Romeo 5 red dot, which has not come in yet. So I'm just going to throw my Field Sport red dot on there so I can actually hit what I'm aiming at. So I'll mount the Field Sport red dot to this pistol, and we'll head to the range and do some shooting. Stand by. Alright, we're back from the range with the hardened arms 10.5 inch pistol upper and the Anderson / PSA lower that I put together. And the first range test was a success. I shot about 100 rounds, did not have any malfunctions of any kind. The only thing I did add was some ladder rail covers that actually came in the mail after I filmed the first original video where I said I wasn't going to put anything on until I tested it. So I put those on, you know, they work fine. Give you a little bit of more comfort than holding on to the quad rail. I did not do any accuracy testing because this Field Sport red dot is coming off as soon as I get my SIG Romeo 5 in, and I will sight that in, and then we'll do some accuracy testing after that. Overall, I'm pleased with how this pistol shot. It's really loud, I will say that. It'll kind of piss some people off in the at the range. This Toolcraft bolt carrier group, I don't have any issues with. It cycles fine. I did shoot only brass case ammo. I will give that stipulation. I bought a bunch of steel cased ammo to put through this gun in particular. Since it is a budget build, I want to see how it will shoot budget ammo. I think Academy Sports was having a sale on Monarch steel cased ammo. Bought a bunch of that, and we're going to put some of that through this. Hopefully in the next video you see, after this series is done, we will do that. So if you have any questions about this build, after this I will be adding some upgrades to it. We'll be doing some of that, and then in the final video, like I said, we'll be pricing everything out and show you exactly what I spent on this gun. So stay tuned for that. This is Guns and Gains. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.